Well, time for our next speaker of the day, Dr. Sanjay Solanki, who is joining us today and talking about hospital administration today and roll forward. Thank you so much for joining us today. Fantastic. Can I please hear a louder applause? Fantastic.
Very good afternoon to all. I am Dr. Sanjay Solanki. I am a resident medical officer at Civil Hospital Ahmedabad. Basically a doctor, but now into the field of hospital management. To begin with, I would like to give an overview of our Civil Hospital Ahmedabad. Civil Hospital Ahmedabad is one of the largest tertiary care hospital, public sector hospital of Gujarat state. Our journey started with a small hospital in the heart of the city, long back, 130 years back, and gradually it developed and expanded in all horizons and spread across now into the 110 acres of land consisting of hospitals, medical colleges and hostels. At present, we have more than 3,000 beds in the hospital with 30 departments, 44 wards, and 45 operation theaters. We are annually seeing more than 10 lakh OPD patients and 1 lakh indoor patients. We are doing almost 3 lakh major and minor surgical procedures per year. I would like to say that this all has happened because of the commitment of our state government, our administrator, and our staff. Having said this, I must say that with this changing healthcare need, the hospital administration has a bigger role than the past. Gone those old days concept of poor house where relatives leave their patient to suffer and die. Then comes the era of evaluation of hospital where sick patients were kept for treatment and cure. Since then, the role of hospitals is gradually changed from cure to health care and further to community care. The administrator has to strike a balance between internal management and community expectations. If I have to enumerate the challenges to start with, nowadays we have to cope with the pace of rapid development in the medical technology. The second is increased public awareness, people awareness, increased demand for better facilities, changing healthcare needs and desires. There is a great increase in the legal involvement into this field because of better and quick communication facilities, Consumer Protection Act, market. If we talk about the private sector, then marketing of hospital services is a bigger challenge. Now there is a need of quality healthcare services like NABH and all. And if I talk about government sectors particularly, then some common challenges for administration in government are lack of infrastructure, lack of qualified manpower, logistic issues, some union activities, financial constraints, etc. And last but not the least, now we all know that there is an active participation of media as well into this field and increased political interference also. So how to meet with these challenges? It is indeed a great need of today in healthcare sector for innovation. We have to think out of box and improve our healthcare delivery more accessible at low and affordable cost. I think one of the finest example we have is Ayushman Bharat ABPMJ Yojana by our Honorable Prime Minister, and the root of which is a Ma Yojana, Mukhyamantri Amrutam Yojana, which was started by our then Chief Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji. And the ABPMJ is an attempt to ensure that universal health care reaches the weaker section of the society. The second example, if I have to enumerate, is a Jaipur food. A cost-effective and highly viable artificial limb proved to be a game-changing innovation for many disabled people. Some more innovation, if we can think of, is a mobile medical units to increase reach of medical care to the doorstep of remote and rural areas. Increasing use of telemedicine to provide remote care is another highly underutilized option. Nowadays, we can also use IT because there are so many involvement of IT in the healthcare sector. We can also use IT in various ways to improve our healthcare service delivery. So at last, I personally feel that the government must institute a dedicated department under health ministry to work on such innovation to reduce the medical products also, but at the same time, we have to brainstorm on devising innovative process and solutions. Thank you, Time Cyber Media, for appreciating our efforts and motivate us on this platform. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. In the next category of Among Best Multi-Speciality Hospital of the Year 2019, Ahmedabad, and the winner is Civil Hospital Ahmedabad. A big round of applause and please welcome Dr. Sanjay Solanki on stage to receive the award. Civil Hospital is 130 years old and shifted to the present building in 1953.